Walk me through this work of art.
We don't show my nails. Yeah.
Look at this.
So that's what we did.
We are ready to open our own wrap shop, honestly.
Yeah.
Like, if you want to get some quality wraps done.
If you want to get a shitty job done, call us. Today, we're going to wrap my fiance's car.
So we're going to go to Sebring for the first
No, you got to
time.
start again because you were starting when I was talking.
Oh.
Go again.
Hey, guys. We are going to Sebring for the first time, which also means we're going to be road tripping for our first time in our M3. And it also means that without a PPF, there's a high potential for a rock chip, paint chip, whatever. And so we were looking online to see what options we had without spending a couple grand. And we found this thing called Track Armour. And so today we're going to be attempting to put this on the car to at least protect it somewhat from both the road trip and our time that we're going to be spending in Sebring at the track. So watch us struggle, and hopefully this is an entertaining video.
Yeah. Hopefully we don't die from this heat. So
yeah, so the first thing we're going to do is I got the car washed yesterday and somehow there's already bird poop on it. So we're going to do our best to remove that. And then we'll attempt to put on the, wow, this is scratched here. Anyway, we'll attempt to put on the Track Armour. So let's see how that goes. Let's open this. All right, here you go. I'm not reading that. I think this is enough.
Yeah. Let's work on the most important parts first, which is going to be this.
Look, it literally says do not allow water, moisture of any kind to set under the frame. That's why there's residue here.
That's fine. That could be taken off.
You think so?
Absolutely. Okay. Apply to clean and dry surface. Start from the first 2 inches of the hood between headlights down to the bottom of the bumper. So it's basically saying to just do this. You're not paying attention.
Do what?
Babe, come on. Stop being hyper-focused on something that doesn't matter.
Sorry.
All right. Start from the first 2 inches of the hood between headlights down to the bottom of the front bumper.
So basically, as we put it, we do the thing. Okay. I think we should do it like we did last time.
Okay.
Where we had the hood open.
But it says really just to do this, no?
No, it says above the film, above the hood, like right here.
All right.
I say we do it like that. I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah, let's get started.
Okay. Say we do it from here.
I mean, it said from the middle, I think.
From the middle of what?
I have no idea.
Of the hood?
No. Look. Start from the first 2 inches of the hood between headlights down to the bottom of the front bumper.
Oh, first 2 inches of the hood. Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
So like only here.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. That's what it's saying.
God, there's so much residue left on this. Fuck me. From last time. Look at this. I'm sure it will come off with like a good detail, but man.
Yeah.
Horrendous.
Well,
I'm like regretting doing this.
Regretting doing what?
Putting this tape.
But it's worth doing this, right?
You think so?
I don't know. I'm asking you.
I don't know. I'm starting to think it's not.
Okay.
All right, let's put more, I guess. I think we need to be more strategic and put it in smaller parts.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Then again, it keeps flying off. So I don't know.
What do you mean flying off?
Like.
What's flying off?
If you put it in smaller parts, it'll fly off a lot easier.
All right, let's start.
What do you think? How should we do it?
I don't know. Just do sections and not overthink it.
This is very difficult.
It is.
I don't want to do this.
You don't?
No.
Babe, but you might regret it. Because what if you get a bunch of chips?
I don't know.
You know?
I don't think I'm going to get any chips.
Okay.
I don't know. Like, I don't know what I'm doing.
It's your choice, baby. I mean, why don't you just rip up, like, tiny pieces?
Because they're going to fly off. What do you think?
I think you should wrap it. Let's do it as much as you can so that you at least have something to protect the car.
Yeah, I'm struggling. I don't know what to do.
Babe, I get you, but what are you struggling with?
Motivation.
Look, let's try a bit more. It's not that hard. Just start with
not that. I just don't know. Like, I'm worried about the amount of residue that this shit leaves. Does that make sense?
Yeah, but it's not wet, so it shouldn't. Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Let's just at least cover certain areas.
Yeah. Like, at least, like, this part. This part doesn't matter as much. Yeah, we
don't need to cover that.
But, like, up here, I feel like you should. Baby, why don't you just...
Cut this little piece. Like in a straight line. Other way, flip it.
Like what? What am I doing?
Babe. I love you.
What were you saying? I don't get what you've been saying.
What do you think stabbing it's going to do?
I don't know. This is a great weapon. Oh, my back. My neck. My back. And then when you take it off, we'll actually spend the time with Gugon and we'll scrape
Gugon
it.
is not good for your paint.
No?
No.
Then what do people recommend to use?
Honestly, I have no clue.
All right, it's fine. We'll look up what to do.
Where's the little stick, blue stick thing?
Right next to you. Honestly, I don't care. Like, I feel like it shouldn't care how it looks. It's just protecting your car. You know? That matters more.
Yeah. Wow.
What?
The one I did with my hand came out
Better?
Yeah. Look at this.
Jesus.
The fuck was that noise?
Me screaming?
Yeah.
I mean, this one's way better than the other one,
Yeah,
though.
the other one was even more
Like,
booty.
that's for sure. Man, I forgot you cut yourself by accident the last time.
I felt that for weeks, by the way.
Jesus.
I think I'm gonna have to get this car wrapped.
Yeah?
The paint is so bad.
Hmm.
Paint's literally in horrible condition.
What color would you do?
Pink.
Pink?
Of course not.
I
I want to do matte black. I have to have a matte black car one day.
I feel like you always
It's
go
so
for
lit.
that, so I feel like it's worth it.
Right?
You might as well just do it at least once.
Yeah.
So then what happens, though? If you want to remove it, can they remove it?
Yeah. I can remove it. But I think this is a good... You know how I wanted to start a wrap company?
Yeah?
No, I'm good.
Yeah, this is hard as fuck. Holy
It takes way
shit.
too much patience.
No,
and I
like,
don't think I
honestly,
have it.
credit to the people that do this. Just like,
It's an art form.
how the fuck do they do this so well? Is my question.
Okay.
No?
Yeah. This is why I need you, babe.
I'm so sorry, babe. Here?
I don't even know.
Yeah.
No. Stop. Babe, look at here.
Yeah, but you're...
Just put it anywhere, babe. Put it anywhere. Put it anywhere here. Tuck it here.
Yeah, but it's not tucked.
Just tuck it.
Yeah, but it's not, because you're not giving me... Go like this.
Yeah, babe, but I need to cover this, don't I?
Okay, hold on.
What?
Like, imagine we do the business. And then we return a car like
Horrible.
cancel.
No, you and I are not. You and I shouldn't be in business together.
Why?
Baby, I love you, but I think you move too slow for me.
How do I move too slow?
I think.
What the fuck? No, I don't.
No, I think that says more about me than it does about you.
Yeah, you're the one to not go in business then. I am. I have patience. I take my time to do things correctly.
But then again, I think
You
also
like,
don't
for
have
example,
patience.
TikTok, you're done with it. What the fuck?
I fucking hate TikTok.
What the fuck?
I don't like TikTok anymore.
Yeah, because you don't have patience. You don't have patience, baby.
Babe, no, that's not it. Can I be honest with you?
What? You want quick
I want to
results.
tell you something annoying that happened. I'm at work.
Aw.
And
What happened?
Nothing happened.
But then why don't you continue the other Instagram
I'm gonna
and
be on
TikTok?
YouTube because I don't want anybody to find me. I want to be on YouTube, and then when I have a lot of followers, and yeah, fuck it, you can find me.
Baby, I want to kick her ass. I want to kick his ass for
Fine.
you. It looks like a safety hazard.
It looks like a what?
Safety hazard.
Why?
Won't the air go in?
What did you do here, Sophie?
What did I do?
What did you do here? You fucked it up, huh?
What the fuck? What are you saying?
I'm messing with you.
See, not bad. We're almost done.
Yeah, I think we do this and that's it. I don't really care about the rest.
Well, do the rest of the side here, though.
No, it's the front that gets hit with stuff.
Okay, but didn't
Let's
we
do
cover
this
the
and
other
then maybe
side?
we do this. The thing is with this side, this looks so bad.
Babe, who cares? It was actually worse last time. Babe, that makes me so mad. Who cares? Why don't you use your personal then to post the stuff?
It's kind of cringe.
No, it's fucking not.
I don't know.
Sam, you have to get out of that mindset that it's cringe. Like, at least you're not shaking your ass on the internet, or you're not, editing the fuck out of the videos or face tuning shit. Like, that's cringe. You get me? Like, you're just posting yourself reacting to car. I'm not kidding.
Well, I think I'm gonna use my Instagram.
Why don't you just use your personal?
I think I will. So hold on.
But then those people that go, "How did you get the followers?" Oh, my car stuff. Like,
Okay.
You know what I mean? They can fuck off.
Let me just keep posting my content on YouTube where I feel safe.
Oh, okay. You're good. You didn't get the car.
I definitely did.
No. I saw you.
Babe, I see a chip.
You're kidding.
Yeah.
Are you kidding?
I don't even give a fuck anymore, honestly.
You know what? It's at least on the bottom of the car.
Babe, just add add time after.
Yeah, babe, but you and I know me and math don't go
Why?
well.
You should be able to do math, no problem. You're not dumb.
I'm not dumb, and I know basic math, but like military time, I'm not used to it. Like I could do the math 14, okay, it's 2. But like everyone after that, probably not. 16, okay, 4. That's
And
it.
there you go. You learned that even numbers equate to even numbers in the other side, right?
Yeah.
So that already helps you break it down by half.
Yeah.
How did I install this part?
Down and then through the sides. Like this. Like the circle's here and you went here and then here and then here.
All right, whatever. That doesn't make any sense to me, but no, don't touch that.
Okay.
Sorry, girl.
Girl, you never called me that.
No.
Sorry, girl.
Because that was like such a little kid thing. You just wanted to trace the lines.
Yeah.
Like a coloring book with a knife.
Yeah.
Okay, we're done.
Nice. Do you want to do this part here or no?
No, fuck it.
All right.
All right. So let's do a postmortem.
What?
Postmortem. You're gonna record me.
What the fuck does that mean?
Ready?
But I like my other side.
You'll be fine. 3, 2, 1. We did an absolutely terrible job.
Yes.
It was mostly her fault. Just kidding. It was 100% mine. Actually, I debated giving up.
And
a
I
couple
pushed
minutes
him.
in. Walk me through this work of art.
Don't show my nails. Yeah.
Look at this.
So that's what we did.
We are ready to open our own wrap shop, honestly.
Yeah.
If you want to get some quality wraps done.
If you want to get a shitty job done, call us.
How would you rate our job?
Me?
Out of 10, yeah. Look at me.
Man, bro, this is probably like a 2 or 3. Actually, it's not as bad actually as the last time that we did it.
Yeah.
Like last time was way worse.
Yeah,
last time had way more bubbles and lines. And like I know this is bad, so you can imagine how bad the first time was. You know
Honestly,
what I mean?
you're right. I'm kind of glad that we did it. We
Yeah.
covered at least what we could. The sensors still work. This part is gonna flap.
That's why can we tape it or cut it or something?
I don't know what to do here, babe, honestly. Like, there's no taping because it's not gonna adhere to that part of the material.
We'll figure it out.
We're gonna take the remaining amount. We're gonna take what remains and then, yeah. Anyways, smile next to the car. All right. Ka-chow.